Hello there, my YouTube friends and family. Me and my boy are going to show you some cars that we got. We're going to open them up and put them on the turner for you. Say hey, baby.
Hey.
Wave at them. You can wave at them. Okay. All right. Up first, we have the Volkswagen Baja Bug. The different color radio written on it. Pretty cool.
Let's open it up.
We will, baby. Remember, we'll show them off, then we open them up. And we got the Aston Martin Vantage GTE. Another cool little casting. I like the big wing on the back of it. Then we got the 95 Mazda RX-7. And Falcon delivery on it. I don't know if you can see that in there or not. Pretty cool. Then we have the 95 Jeep Cherokee in the red. Last one was in green. Yeah. Alright, baby. Put it in, put it in. And next up is the 56 Ford from M2. That we're going to be opening up. And another M2 Mustang Cobra 87 that we're going to be opening up. Alright.
Hey.
You ready to open them up?
Yes.
Alright, let's turn this camera around, y'all, so we can open them up for y'all.
Now I'm going to open that one up. Now I'm going to open this one up.
Do what, baby?
Now I'm going to open
No, we
that
ain't opening
one
that
up.
up. No, we're going to open it.
But one's right there.
Yeah, we're going to open up this right. No, we're going to open that there. We're going to put it right there.
What one?
Alright, let's open this Jeep up, baby, and put it on the turner for him. There you go. Just throw it on the ground, not that far. Come on now, open it up. Hurry, they're waiting. Put it on the turner.
Where's the green one of those? Where's the green one of those?
It's somewhere, baby. I'll show you. Are you ready to open up the Mazda?
Yes.
Here you go.
I like Mazdas.
You like Mazdas?
Yes.
Don't throw it back there, baby. I gotta reach it. Throw it right here on the ground.
But you can't go back and do it. Man down.
You might hurry.
Man down.
Alright. Put it on
You
the turner,
would
baby.
do it on it.
Put it on the turner. It's
It
okay.
would do it on, but I'm going it off with my hand.
Then we'll open up the Aston Martin. Here, baby.
Alright,
Oh, throw it way back. There you go. Throw it right there. Yeah, Mazda's got the Falcon livery on it. That's a nice delivery on it. I like the color on that one there. It's pretty cool. You got it out, baby? Alright, put it on the turner.
Right in my hand. Right in my hand.
Alright, put it on the turner.
Look at me. It's on the highway.
Yeah, then we'll open up the Baja Beetle.
It's me.
Yeah, it's a Beetle.
It's
We got quite a few of them up there, baby.
Volkswagen.
We got quite a few of them up there.
It's a
Yeah, it's a
Volkswagen.
Volkswagen, baby. It sure is. You ready to put it on the turner? Oh, this one out here up now. These are kind of hard to open up, baby.
Why?
Because they on stands. I think the hood's supposed to open up on it. Yeah, it's not open. You put it on the turner?
Yes.
Alright, put it on. It's gonna stay on that stand, baby. I gotta take it off. Alright,
But one,
put it on the turner.
you hate take it off of
That's one of my favorite trucks right there, y'all. A 56 Ford.
But-
Check it out.
But you didn't take it off of a hand. You didn't take it off of a hand.
Come on, baby.
You didn't take it off of a hand. You didn't take it off of a hand.
No, I didn't, little baby.
But why?
Here's that come out somehow. Yeah, come on, baby. I'm gonna get it off the special way. I didn't think this through, y'all.
get a car out.
Yeah. They put it on the stand.
But why it has a cover on it?
Because they do.
Why it has a cover?
That one does.
But why? But I thought we were gonna open it up.
Yeah. Check that out, y'all. The 97 Cobra.
Can you take it out of a case with a knife?
Yeah, we can take it out maybe later. Alright, y'all. That's it for a short little video here. We wanted to show y'all some cars that we got. So if you like what you see, subscribe to that channel, please. What you see?
Peace out.
Peace out, y'all.
Peace out.